Hello. Hi, everyone. Good morning. Myself, Rajendra, and I would like to briefly tell myself. And today I'm going to give you some brief introduction about myself, and we are going to start the Power BI. Uh, Myself, I'm working in manufacturing industry from past 10 and a half years, and in Power BI, I have an 5+ years of experience. So I have a member in MVP as well as Microsoft Valuable member, as well as I'm actively performing in Power BI community as well. So we are going to start a Power BI now, and I would like to briefly discuss about myself as well as this is my introduction. I'm in working in a senior BI specialist and working as an one of the manufacturing industry, and have developed multiple projects in the Power BI and given training to the international as well as the domestic people in Power BI, and I have a graduate in BTech from JNTU Hyderabad. So briefly, I will tell you, but the background, who is eligible and who is not, and this tool is a very powerful tool, Power BI. It is a business intelligence tool, and I'm just going to give a brief introduction of the background. If you're in like any kind of sector, whether it is an BTech passed out or else some other domain, if you want to change from one domain to another domain, or else if you are a college fresher, or else some other, even if you are a basic knowledge on technologies like ETL, all the people are eligible. And even if you are not aware and just be a graduate, and this tool is very useful. And outside Power BI is having very much demand, and because this tool has been available from past 5 years, like 2015 has been came into the public preview, and from there it is beating each and every BI tools like Tableau, ClickSense, and Sysens, and all. And this is about a brief background, like it's if you have some basic knowledge on ETL and some of the Excel or else SQL, it's well and good. And if you are not aware, once we will start our project like this group, then it is an easy to grab and pick up these things. I mean, we can able to perform simple ETL like ETL, extract, transform, and load. These kind of technologies we will use in Power BI, and as well as an basic SQL stuff also we're going to perform in Power BI. So this is a brief background, and we can able to adopt it and easily. And the tool, if you can go to the Google Trends, this is the tool from last 5 years, which is picking up like an anything. I'm just going to give some more what we are going to discuss as per the topic wise, as well as how we are going to perform. See this.